In this video, we are going to install a pair of ditch light brackets by Rago Fabrication on a 2024 Toyota Sequoia. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. They are made of 3/16 high quality steel. Has a hammer black powder coat finish. Easy installation, just bolts right onto the factory hinge. You can mount up to a 4-inch single light pod and has a few small slots to zip tie your wires for a clean look. To install the bracket, first we're going to remove this top bolt. Use a size 12. Then we go ahead and align the bottom bolt. Take your bolt, go ahead and put it back in. And we're just going to put it on hand tight. The reason why I do this, I don't want the hood to move too much. That way I have the right spacing in between. Then we go ahead and remove the bottom bolt. Then we go ahead and align the holes and put the bolt back on. Then when they're both back on, go ahead and tighten. And this is how it looks installed. Does not touch the hood. Has a nice low profile fitment. And here's how it looks with a 4-inch light pod. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave the product link in the description below. If you have not done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.